We also have different styles of walking, as you can see: cool, elderly, power, run, and etc. And some content designers have created even more walk styles or blend styles that you can add to the walk designer by clicking on the load button. So we'll take these default settings and we'll click on apply, and the apply walk menu comes up. We'll make sure that the figure is walking along path 1, or you can have the figure walk in place with a certain number of cycle repetitions, but since we have a path, we're going to use the path. We're going to align the head to the next sharp turn. Since there are a couple of turns in our path, we're always going to complete the last step, and you can have the walk transition from a starting pose or to an ending pose, and you can if you have that, you can determine the number of frames in and out of those poses.